One of my scenes where I was getting beaten up by a cop, and I think I have done justice to that scene, that particular scene I'm talking about. And people were literally crying that we just couldn't watch it. Even my brother called me and he told me that
I can imagine with the family.
I just can't watch that the way you were doing it, and we were literally crying. And Amma asked to just shut the TV. Ki, yaar, this is just so bad. Why is he hitting you so hard?
You play a lead and a vamp as well. So tell us, what were your initial conviction of your characters?
She's done bad things, but there were reasons. You
Yeah.
know, she was forced to do that. So probably एक अच्छा करने के लिए उसको कुछ बुरा करना पड़ा, and that's why she did that.
Yeah.
As long as you're not hurting somebody's emotion with your possessive nature, it's fine. Little possessive is fun.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Hello, my name is Zainabat Khan,
Hello, my name is Surbhi.
and you're watching me on
Bollywood Hangama.
Bollywood Hangama.
Hi guys, I'm Kareena Michwal and we have here with us the amazing stars of Disney Plus Hotstar's latest show, Guna. Hello, welcome to Bollywood Hangama.
Hello,
Thank you,
thank
hello.
you for having
How
us.
are you doing?
We are doing a lot of
great.
gunas.
Yeah. इस गुनाह
Like
के
to
हिस्सेदार हैं
elaborate on that?
Yeah, no, actually, it's on Hotstar, free on your phones. Please watch it. We are dropping one episode every day.
Yeah, I'm sure. So, what about you? Enjoying the promotions?
Absolutely, I'm just loving the love we are getting,
Yeah.
and I'm just loving the response we are getting, and we have just started, promoting our shows because, yeah, it's going great, yeah. We're having fun.
Yeah.
In fact, that was going to be my first questions. The series been receiving really well by the fans. So,
Yeah.
what are some of the feedbacks or compliments that will stay with you for a very long time?
We are loving Shiva and Tara,
Yeah.
hashtag Shiv Tara, and why Tara is doing that. Oh my god, Tara is so nice. I
Yeah.
just want to say that thank you so much, everyone, for your love and unconditional support.
And I would like to add, I was getting tagged in numerous reels where, in one of my scenes where I was getting beaten up by a cop, and I think I have done justice to that scene, that particular scene I'm talking about. And people were literally crying that we just couldn't watch it. Even my brother called me and he told me that
I can imagine with the family.
I just can't watch that the way you were doing it, and we were literally crying. And Amma asked to just shut the TV. Ki, yaar, this is just so bad. Why is he hitting you so hard? And I told them that it's obviously I'm performing, and I'm glad you're feeling that I've been beaten
Yeah.
up. And I think
Absolutely.
I've done justice to that.
My mom
particular
also
scene.
called me and is like, so they call me Sona at home. There's like, Sona, ये तू बहुत गलत कीता. Like she's a Punjabi. मैं कहा कि बहुत गलत किया, क्या किया? तुझे शिवा के खिलाफ ऐसे नहीं बोलना चाहिए था. मैं कहा मम्मी
I'm
next
glad.
episode देखो.
Absolutely.
फिर but she's just every day calling and telling me what she likes and what she doesn't.
Wow, that's so
Yeah,
that's
yeah, I
so
know.
lovely. Yeah, that's so sweet. So, like you all mentioned, your characters been receiving so much love.
Yeah.
The characters are so intense and interesting. You play a lead and a vamp as well. So, tell us, what were your initial conviction of your characters, and what was your process like?
It was very different. First of all, I heard the narration, the story, and then I understood my character and how Tara is helping the story to progress and why she is doing whatever she is doing. Once I was convinced, then I started practicing and rehearsing the dialogues and the scenes, because it's a very challenging character to play. You are doing things which are ideally not good, but you have to justify those things. So of course there are writers, there is a team, off the camera also, but on camera, I'm not saying that I was there, Tara is there to gain this sympathy. She's just there to justify that, of course she's done bad things, but there were reasons.
Yeah.
She was forced to do that. So probably एक अच्छा करने के लिए उसको कुछ बुरा करना पड़ा, and that's why she did that.
Yeah.
So it was a very different character, and I'm so glad that I'm playing that character. It's
I
just
think,
not
yeah.
that कि काम what में वो तो अच्छा ही करेगी क्योंकि वो हीरोइन है.
Yeah.
No,
I
वो
think
वही करेगी जो
Surbhi's character is
situation.
one of the most challenging characters in this
Yeah.
show, because my character is like simple. Like, I'm in love with this girl, and now my friends and she has betrayed me.
Correct. When Abhimanyu comes, he comes for the revenge.
Absolutely.
Right. This girl, she was also equally and madly in love with this guy, and then she went against him. Why? Just because of some other important and precious person in her life. So that's how, that what makes this character very loving and very complicated at the same time.
That's why I just don't consider calling Tara a vamp.
Oh.
Because because I don't think it's she's a vamp because
yeah.
there were circumstances they were pushing
For
her.
Shiva, Tara is heroine, please.
Absolutely, because I have never seen, because while we were filming na, I was trying to do some method about this performance that I was really not even reading what has happened after that. I was just reading ki I am with Tara and this is what I know and this is my world and these are my friends and that's my entire world.
Yeah.
That's it.
No, because Shiva and Tara are so much in love that I'm glad they have changed Shiva into Abhimanyu. क्योंकि अगर यही रहता तो मैं शायद betray भी नहीं कर पाता. He's a
so
different
sweet.
person only. So then I'm like, okay, yeah, it's a new person. हो
Yeah.
सकता है थोड़ा गलत. Yeah.
Okay, so the show is inspired by a Turkish drama.
Yeah.
And now we see a new trend ki Korean dramas,
Absolutely.
Turkish
No wonder.
dramas, and other international dramas are doing really well in India. So
Yeah.
how do you look at this trend as actors and even as consumers?
I think in the both ways, because even I like to watch Turkish dramas, K-pop dramas, and also I think people are having a different taste because now we have a lot of options now. In just one tab you can just go to like whatever you want to watch. So I think this is kind of a experiment we are doing, and I think this is what people really want to see. And this is that one show that can connect the youth as well and the people who like to watch like global content as well, and the people who are staying at home, like let's say housewives or Indian masses. So I think this is that one show that can connect all of those audiences. Yeah.
It's always a good idea to make a show in a which was originally in a foreign language, to make it in Hindi. Why? Because I'll give you an example of my parents. Of course they don't know any other foreign language, be it like Turkish or Mexican.
Yeah.
And if they watch it with subtitle, of course they are not very well. English is not their first language, so वो probably subtitles भी उतने अच्छे से नहीं पढ़ पाएंगे. So the only option is वो dub पढ़ें. But it's just an adaptation, and of course it's just going very well, and I don't think so it is a bad trend at all. Yeah.
Yeah, a great time to be an actor and
Absolutely.
an audience as well. I would
Oh,
say.
absolutely,
है
yeah.
ना?
Globalization.
Yeah.
Why not?
So you both come, correct me if I'm wrong, you both come from non-film backgrounds, right?
Absolutely.
And you are here on your own merit and hard work. So tell us, what were your initial struggles and what are the initial struggles of actors that are not much talked about, जो थोड़े overlook हो जाते हैं?
Yeah, we can have a different segment on that of our struggles, because and also the great part, surprisingly, coincidentally, we both got the same producer for our first shows, and we just done.
Yeah.
That one show has made made both of us.
Yeah.
So, and the struggle what we had, I think if I'll talk about my struggles, I've had a very different life. Like I always dreamt of this life. I always wished I always used to dream that I want to be there at there someday. So right now I'm at that place that genuinely two of my shows are coming every day. So at 10:30 there's another show, and at 12 p.m. you can just watch another show of mine. So it's more than a more of a blessing for me that I'm glad I have reached at this place after such a long time. Because after Ashikana there was a time where I was struggling to choose what to take, because after doing such a big show, it is a very tricky thing for you, and it's a very risky thing for you to choose like what do you have to do now.
Yeah, for me, I wouldn't say that I struggled too much. And I think that whatever actors face, I'm talking about my personal journey, struggle को मैं शायद opportunities कहूँगी, that even if आप थोड़ा सा uncomfortable है, वो ऐसी opportunity है जो आपको आपके dream की तरफ लेके जा रही है. So it is not struggle for me. Like अगर आपको सुबह जल्दी उठ के ट्रेन पकड़नी है या बस में जाना है, it's an opportunity. You are just living your dream life.
Absolutely.
Then it's not struggle for
Very
me.
well put
It's opportunity.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
really well put.
Yeah.
So for aspiring actors जो ये देख रहे होंगे, what would you like to tell them? I mean, what is like the casting process or that mahal of Aram Nagar? I'm sure you must have
Absolutely.
auditioned a
I've
lot
been-
over
absolutely.
there.
I have-
Must
I
have
have done
spent
all of
so
that.
much of
Yeah,
time
yeah,
there.
yeah.
So what is that mahal like, and what are some of the things that you would want to tell them that could help them?
See, I would say for me, again, because Kabul Hai was such a big show that my audition journey to started much later in life.
Yeah.
Because by the time I reached Ramnagar in Mumbai, where all the auditions
didn't
and
even
everything
audition only.
happened, yeah, I was already a known
Yeah.
name.
Yeah.
So for me, मैं audition को एक opportunity ही देखती हूँ that ये सामने जो कैमरा के पीछे हैं, they are my audience and I'm just doing a scene. क्योंकि if you don't clear an audition, that's fine. Like, you know, it's just that आपको एक और scene करने का मौका मिल गया, आपको थोड़ी और practice करने का मौका मिल गया. If you really want to be an actor, trust me, it's a very good space right now. You know, social media पे everybody is so well connected. It is very difficult that you can get robbed or get wronged by someone because everything is just out there, everything is very transparent. So it's a very good space, it's a very good time. If you are honest, if you know your craft and skill, you can get in touch with right people, give auditions and just do whatever you want to do.
Zain, anything that you would like to
I
add?
would like to add, since we are talking about audition process, so every audition, you know, like I have been cast for Shiva because I had some Shiva in me. She had been cast for Tara because she had some Tara in herself. So if you are not getting an audition, that doesn't mean you are not a good actor, you're not,
Absolutely.
good looking, you're not a good performer. It is, see, right now we are in that space that even we didn't get some projects because we are not fit for that. It is
Yeah.
not about how popular you are, how great of an actor you are. It is about if you are fitting the bill, if you are fitting the character.
Yeah.
So if you are not, if you like, I am doing, I have played Shiva because they saw some Shiva in me. So I think that's the one thing you should remember. Just keep going on and just keep up the good work and just keep
Patience
yeah.
is the key actually. You just have to be
Absolutely.
patient.
Because I have been told, I'm so sorry to cut you, I have been told that, before coming to Mumbai के 10 लाख में से एक इंसान को वो मुकाम मिल पाता जो तुम्हें चाहिए. So I've been told कि नहीं हो पाएगा, just stay back, just do this, you don't have to go, एक आध कर लो, शौक कर लो, फिर वापस आ जाना, I'll set you up somewhere. I was like, okay, I used to be like, okay, cool.
ओके सो जब ऐसी सब चीज़ें सुनने को मिलती है कि 10 लाख में से कोई एक बनेगा, चांसेस बहुत ज़्यादा हैं फेल होने के rather than सक्सेस होने
Absolutely.
के. सो व्हाट इज इट दैट कीप्स एक्टर्स गोइंग, व्हाट केप्ट यू गोइंग, ये सब जब आप सुनते थे?
यार, my motivation, my passion towards my dreams and I think manifestations are real and I used to believe के, and I am that person, if I have literally made up my mind कि करना है तो करना है no matter what.
Wow.
And yeah, I have decided कि there's no going back now. I just have to do it. I have come to this city and there's no going back now.
Surbhi, what do you think keeps an actor going despite knowing that it's such an
I think
uncertain field?
It is uncertain, and I would say, however hardworking and talented and motivated you are, destiny plays a very, very important role. Let's
Absolutely,
not
absolutely.
ignore that. Not every successful actor it's not that everybody who's successful is talented and everybody who's talented is successful.
Yeah.
Right? So it's just that, and if at all आपको desired result नहीं मिला इस industry में, I would not call that a failure. Probably you are not meant for this. Just try something else. My point is that this is also one of the professions that you can go for. If यहाँ पे नहीं तो कहीं और सही. You don't fail as a person. This profession might not work out for you. So please don't just let your hopes die कि अब तो मैं शायद कुछ भी नहीं कर पाऊंगा या कर पाऊंगी. Just do something else and excel in that. It's just not a failure for life. Probably this profession is not for you.
Absolutely. So at this point of your career, what are your ambitions and aspirations ahead as actors? What are the kind of projects you would like to be associated with? What are the kind of characters you would love to do?
See, I think for me, I love doing, these kind of characters. Like, there's so much emotional turmoil and there's so much emotional baggage that this guy is carrying. So, I think normal life characters, conventional heroes, conventional heroines, everybody does that, and we have seen that. It's been, been there, done that, everybody has done that. So I really want to be out there like something like Guna, and genuinely I'm saying it, I just want to do these kind of characters in my future as well. To stand out in a way that this is something that we have never seen. Yeah.
I want to work with good teams,
Oh,
good
okay.
people. Like, of course, different character and all of that is there, but how Anil Senior, who's a director, and then Anirudh Pathak, who's a showrunner, then you get Hotstar as a
Yeah.
platform. It's like a good platter,
Yeah.
So now my desire is to just work with good experienced people जिनके साथ काम करने में मजा आए और मेरा रोल इतना अच्छा हो कि लोगों को देखने में मजा आए. It's not that you are just there for the whole thing but you are doing nothing. But yeah, good role with good people.
Yeah.
Okay, great. So to end this conversation on a fun note, I have a few fun questions. Okay, and the game is Guna ya Maafi.
Oh wow.
So yeah, I have a few situations.
हाँ.
Okay, and you have to tell us ये
गुनाह या माफ़ी.
क्या
Yeah.
इसकी सजा मिलेगी या माफी
माफ़ी
मिलेगी,
मिलेगी.
ठीक है?
Done.
Okay,
Three
they're
गुनाह.
quite possessive.
Yeah.
So is that a guna or you can
Who?
just...
Sorry. Can you repeat?
It's about a relationship.
Okay.
Guna ya maafi in a relationship.
Depends.
Possessive, yeah, it depends.
Depends.
Again, there is no parameter.
Yeah.
Okay.
कि मैं बोलूँ कि if you are 5 then there is maafi. If you are getting towards like 6, 7 and 8 there that's guna. So as long as you are not hurting somebody's emotion with your possessive nature, it's fine. Little possessive is fun.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, needing a lot of reassurance.
That's maafi. That's not a guna. For me, it's not a guna.
A lot of reassurance.
Not a lot of reassurance, but
Okay.
you still need reassurance in life. I mean, it depends.
Yeah.
Again, it
if
depends.
it's a habit, it's
Yeah.
a guna.
Okay, taking 4-5 hours to call or text back.
It's a maafi because the kind of work culture we are in, we really don't get time to talk to our parents also.
Okay.
So
I think it's a guna because if it's priority, you will answer that.
Yeah.
You are avoiding it for a reason. Yeah.
Not posting pictures even on special occasions.
Guna. Then just delete your account.
so sorry.
Yeah.
I'm not going to delete my account.
I know, if you are just not going to use it wisely and for such occasions and all, then just delete your account. Why are you even there? Yeah.
That's
Oh,
yeah.
his question mein Kashmir is the biggest gunegar.
Yeah, even I am a
He's
gunegar.
so
I don't
lazy.
post that
He's
much.
worse than him.
Okay.
I'm still out there, but Kashmir is not there.
Kashmir
Yeah.
is just so useless.
Okay. Asking too many questions about past relationship.
That's a guna. If you're not comfortable, that's a guna.
For me, maafi. You really need to know why didn't it work out, because that tells a lot about the person that you are with.
Okay.
yeah.
Are too politically inclined. Baat pe they'll, pick a political fight, argument.
Guna.
Guna.
Guna. Okay. And lastly, talking to or seeing your friends without your knowledge.
Like, that's no.
My friends?
Yeah, your partner is seeing them or talking to them without your knowledge.
Guna? What is this? Why?
I don't think it's a guna for me. I mean,
No,
it's
for
your
me,
life.
Without your knowledge.
So it's okay. Like, who am I? I don't own that person.
I know, but if the person is talking to my friends only without my knowledge, what are you doing?
Yeah.
It's a guna. It's a guna.
Okay, that was great fun
Yeah.
talking to you.
Hello, my name is Zainabat Khan,
Hello, my name is Surbhi.
and you're watching me on
Bollywood Hangama.
Bollywood Hangama.